We always complain that what has Pakistan given us. But the real question is the question we all need to ask ourselves: what has Pakistan not given us?
First of all, independence. Ask Kashmiris, Syrians, and the Muslims living in India what independence really is. Pakistan has not only given us independence but has provided us safety, security, and safeguarded us when we needed it the most.
It has given us our identity, ideology, education, and home. What has it not given us? Just think about the fact that we experience all four weathers, or mountains, the greatest asset nature has bestowed us with.
From the beautiful resorts of Malam Jabba and Nantar to the alluring beauty of Hunza Skardu in Sabah. From the mountain trekking infrastructure of North to the Grand Canyon Kaveri Mountains of Balochistan.
From the prime beaches of Gavadan to its heart-touching Hawaiian coastlines. From the culture-rich Lahore to the religious tourist sites in Sindh. Are these blessings not enough?
Are these gifts you always forget to count? Or do you always start counting from the negative side? The features Pakistan has presented us with, people wish for them every day. The beautiful blue sky that you don't even look at with love, people rave for it.
Pure and clean water, or rich farmlands that produce crops that are famous all over the world. The taste of our foods is so unique that it is cherished all over the globe. No country can produce such mouth-watering food.
And last but not the least, being born into Muslim families is one of the prime presents this prepossessing country has to offer. Gaining this country was not easy. Millions of people were sacrificed in the origination of this very country that has offered you nothing.
That Pakistan has given us nothing. Do you still think that our country is nothing? Do you still think that we have nothing to be thankful for? Think again. And at the end, I would like to add a share. जब अपना काफिला अज़्मो यकीन से निकलेगा, जिधर से चाहेंगे रास्ता वहीं से निकलेगा, वतन की मट्टी मुझे एड़ियाँ रगड़ने दे, मुझे यकीन है कि रास्ता यहीं से निकलेगा.
At the end, I would thank my country from the deepest layers of my heart for blessing me with blessings I cannot even count. Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.